Casement windows Clearwater installation in Clearwater, Florida, is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetics and functionality. With a variety of casement windows Clearwater styles available, including modern and custom options, residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Whether you're interested in vinyl casement windows Clearwater, aluminum casement windows Clearwater, or wood casement windows Clearwater, there are a range of options to suit your needs. Energy-efficient casement windows Clearwater are a top priority for many homeowners looking to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. These windows are designed to provide superior insulation, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. Double-glazed casement windows Clearwater are particularly effective in enhancing energy efficiency, making them a smart investment for any residents. Casement windows Clearwater installation services ensure that your windows remain in optimal condition. Whether you need casement window locks, hinges, or screens installed, local experts are available to assist. Regular maintenance of your casement windows Clearwater can extend their life, ensuring they continue to function smoothly and securely. For those seeking affordable casement windows Clearwater, there are numerous options to explore. Choosing affordable casement windows Clearwater doesn't mean compromising on quality or style. Many suppliers offer budget-friendly solutions that still provide excellent efficiency and durability. Vinyl and aluminum casement windows Clearwater are often more cost-effective than wood, making them a popular choice for budget-conscious homeowners. Custom casement windows Clearwater allow homeowners to tailor their window design to their specific preferences. Whether you're looking for unique frames or specialized glass, custom casement windows Clearwater can meet your needs. This personalized approach ensures that your windows complement your home's architecture and interior design. Casement windows Clearwater replacement is an excellent opportunity to upgrade your home's appearance and performance. Modern casement windows Clearwater offer improved aesthetics and functionality, making them a worthwhile investment. Window replacement services in Clearwater can also enhance your property's value, making it an attractive option for those considering selling their home. High-quality casement windows Clearwater hardware is an essential component of any installation. Choosing the right hardware, such as locks and hinges, ensures that your casement windows Clearwater operate smoothly and securely. This attention to detail enhances window security and performance. Casement windows Clearwater installation combines expertise with quality materials to ensure your home is both stylish and energy efficient. Our team specializes in installing energy-efficient casement windows Clearwater that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home but also contribute to significant energy savings. Whether you are looking for vinyl, aluminum, or wood casement windows Clearwater, we have a wide range of options to suit your needs and preferences. Energy-efficient casement windows Clearwater are a popular choice for homeowners due to their ability to reduce energy costs and improve indoor comfort. These windows are designed with advanced technology to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. By choosing energy-efficient casement windows Clearwater, you can enjoy a more sustainable and cost-effective living environment. Casement windows Clearwater installation services are essential for maintaining the functionality and appearance of your windows. Over time, wear and tear can affect the performance of your casement windows Clearwater, leading to issues such as drafts, leaks, or difficulty in opening and closing. Our expert technicians handle all types of installations, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Custom casement windows Clearwater offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's design while enhancing its functionality. We provide custom casement windows Clearwater tailored to your specific requirements, whether you need a particular size, shape, or style. Our services ensure your windows perfectly complement your home's architecture and interior design. Casement windows Clearwater replacement is a crucial service for homeowners looking to upgrade their windows for better performance and aesthetics. We offer comprehensive window replacement services in Clearwater that include the removal of old windows and the installation of high-quality casement windows Clearwater. Our replacements improve energy efficiency, security, and curb appeal. Vinyl casement windows Clearwater are a popular choice for homeowners due to their durability, low maintenance, and affordability. These windows are resistant to moisture, fading, and warping, making them an excellent option for Clearwater's humid climate. Our vinyl casement windows Clearwater service provides a range of styles and colors to match your home's exterior.